Students of class 11th, आज आपका टॉपिक है polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates. These are formed by the polymerization, or we can say condensation. Condensation of monosaccharides. When monosaccharides more than 10 mostly and numerous, they condense, they combine together, polysaccharides are formed, and a molecule of water is eliminated at each setup, and this makes the polysaccharides mostly insoluble, because during the process of polymerization, water molecule is released at each step between the monosaccharide units. These polysaccharides may be branched or unbranched. That is, they may be having a chain-like structure as well. And these polysaccharides may have two ends, right end and left end. The right end is a reducing end and the left end is non-reducing end. That means the right end of the polysaccharide is reducing and the left end of the polysaccharide is non-reducing. So far as the composition of polysaccharides is concerned, polysaccharides may be homopolysaccharides and heteropolysaccharides. Homopolysaccharides are those polysaccharides that are made up of same monosaccharide units. Same type of monosaccharide units, that is glucose, glucose, glucose. I see fructose, fructose, fructose. That means the monosaccharides that form the polysaccharide, they are same, and the water molecule is eliminated at each step, like the homopolysaccharides are starch in plants. Glycogen is also homopolysaccharide. Similarly, cellulose in plants, it is a homopolysaccharide made up of same monosaccharide residues. All are made up of glucose. Now, heteropolysaccharides are those polysaccharides that are formed by the condensation of different types of monosaccharides. That is, the monosaccharides vary that form the polysaccharide, like agar. Agar is a heteropolysaccharide. Chitin in insects. The fungi, it is a heteropolysaccharide. Also, peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan, it is also a heteropolysaccharide. Likewise, arabinoglycan. Except sugars, all the polysaccharides are sweet. Except sugars, all the polysaccharides are not sweet. Sugars are sweet, all except sugars are not sweet. And the second thing is that the polysaccharides cannot pass through the cell membrane. They are large, they cannot pass through the cell membrane easily. However, they can pass by a mechanism which is known as active transport. Otherwise, being large, they cannot pass through the cell membrane except sugars, but they can be transported by a mechanism of active transport. Likewise, depending upon the function, polysaccharides are of three types. One type is food storage polysaccharide. Food storage polysaccharide. Food storage, first type. Second type is structural polysaccharide. Structural, which forms the structure of which organisms. Structural polysaccharide. And the another type is mucopolysaccharide. Mucopolysaccharide. फूड स्टोरेज पॉलीसैकेराइड्स में आते हैं स्टार्च, ग्लाइकोजन आती है, and also the inulin. Starch is food storage polysaccharide. Likewise, glycogen in animals, animal polysaccharide glycogen. Starch in plants, glycogen in animals, and inulin made up of fructose, and it's a fructane. A polysaccharide made up of fructose is fructane, made up of xylose is xylane, made up of arabinose is arabine. Likewise, the name according to the monosaccharide units. Structural polysaccharides में होते हैं chitin. Cellulose, it is a structural polysaccharide. A mucopolysaccharide which adds mucilage. It is present in plants as well as in animals. In plants, the mucopolysaccharide gives lubrication to the tendons and ligaments. Lubrication in tendons and ligaments. Likewise, the mucopolysaccharide is a fluid in the brain, which is known as CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. It contains mucopolysaccharide. Likewise, there is a liquid in the eyes, which is known as vitreous humor. Vitreous humor. It is also a mucopolysaccharide. Vitreous humor contains mucopolysaccharide. Cerebrospinal fluid contains mucopolysaccharide. These are the different types of polysaccharides. And later proteins, that will be inshallah the next chapter.